Hi, welcome to Codex Gateway. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install MySQL 5.7 in Ubuntu 20.04 or 22.04, okay, or 18.04. I'll explain one by one by executing the commands. Command. Here you can give that MySQL. Okay, there is no command. There is no MySQL instance installed in this machine. So by default, it is asking to install this particular version 8.4. If I'm going to use like sudo command, okay, so we can install MySQL using sudo command, not in normal user. Okay, so make sure you have access for sudo permission user. Okay, you have a sudo permission user. Sudo apt install mysql. So if you give that, just to see this, this should usually ask, okay, mysql hyphen server. This is a default command. So it will install like mysql 8 actually. It will install mysql 8 version. So we don't want to install mysql 8. We need to install mysql 5.7. So how to do that? Okay, so it's very simple. I'll give you a list of commands, command which I'm going to use it for this video. I mean this installation in the comment sections. Please go through that. Okay, first of all you have to get this config file. Okay, MySQL apt config file from online. Okay, or you can download through that this one. Okay, this is a command, this is a URL to get that configuration file of MySQL. So you can download it. Okay, either you can download or you can download through your command prompt. Okay, I'm in terminal. So here I'm downloading the file. So what I can do is that here I get that URL, or you can do it with a direct command like wget. Okay, wget command also you can use it like this one. Even no need to use like a sudo. Okay, this one also will download that. Instead, if you wanted to download it through browser also, it will work. Okay, cd downloads /downloads ls. Okay, so here our package is mentioned in the kept inside download folder. So I'm going to give a permission for this. Sudo chmod -r 777, sorry, 777, because it's not a folder. That's why that we don't want to give like a 777 -r because it's recursive. Okay, so MySQL I'm going to give like a full permission to make sure without any problem. That's it, simple. Okay, ls. So it's already it's done actually. Now what will happen actually? You can install this particular package. How to do that? In that sudo dpkg -i mysql, give tab. Okay, so it will ask like a list of options. You can use a bionic. Okay, so you can choose bionic, and here mysql server and cluster currently selected is 8. So we wanted to select like a 5.7. Okay, so you can give a enter for this. So it will go to inside the option. You can choose mysql 5.7 here. Okay, then you can give a enter. Now you can see this currently selected mysql 5.7. That's it, nothing else have to do. So you can go to down, just give OK. That's it. Okay, so it is showing like OK for this. That is fine. Now you have to give a sudo apt-get update. So it will install if there is any other updates also available. So it will also install that particular updates also. Including that, it will install MySQL too. So it will ask us to give a username and password for a MySQL instance, or it will show some error and we will fix it. Okay, if it will show any error, we will fix it. Okay. By default, okay, that is fine. So now you can see MySQL hyphen u root hyphen p. It's not there. Okay, it's not installed actually. The problem is that you can see there is a GPG error, right? So this is an error. It says something like there is no, because public key is not available for this. No public key. So keep this public key, and then I'm giving one command for this. Sudo apt-key adv hyphen keyserver, so same thing. Okay, this command. Okay. Okay, here you can, I think you have seen that there is a key, GPG key. Here you can say something like, you can get this particular key here and then add that key at the end. Paste received a key. Actually, it's a received a key. Just give enter for this. That's it. So only you can apply this particular line if suppose if there is any GPG error. Okay, and it will show that key as well. So you can add a command along with this. Okay, I mean you can add a key along with this command, and it's imported now. That is done. Now as usual, as I said, you can go and install update again. So it will do the installation of MySQL right now because we have given the key which is expecting by this installation. Okay, so just leave it other things. Actually, that's it. So this is very simple. Now we can see. So let's see that. Okay, MySQL. So we are going to install MySQL right now. So by the command with 5.7, right? This one. Yes. I list out all the commands below that of my video in the comment section, description area. So this is a command for this 5.7 community server for this SQL server, MySQL server. So it will install all 5.7 versions. So it will ask his password for this. So 45%. It's getting 5.7 version of your server client. So it's downloading now. So now it is asking root password. So you can give your password for this root. I'm giving a root. Root is the password again. That's it. It will show an error. We'll fix that too. That if suppose another one error come, uh, might be the problem that if older version or any other version has been installed before and we have removed it something, so those conflict might happen. Okay, sometimes this won't happen because I think in this installation it is not asking. That's done actually. So there is no error right now. So we can check that mysql. Hi, just give it the mysql. That's it. Okay, so it shows that access, so it's installed. So we can say that mysql -u root -p enter. So root I have given the password. That's it. So localhost mysql root mysql password is root. I have given the root. Yeah, that's it. I have given wrong password before. Okay. So show databases. So create database test first db semicolon ls sorry um, uh, show databases. So it's there. Okay. So it's done. So exit. So it's installed 5.741 installation. So that's it. So I will mention all the command which I have used in this particular installations in this particular video. Okay, which I'm mentioning inside a comment section. I mean description area of video. Okay, thank you. If any queries and details, please let me know. Thanks so much.